I got this recipe from Dr. Judy Morgan, and the name of the recipe is Warm the Middle Digestive Aid. To make this recipe, we need 3/4 cup organic coconut flour, 1/4 cup almond butter. I used peanut butter instead, 2 organic eggs, 1/4 cup organic coconut oil, 1/2 cup organic canned pumpkin, 100% puree, 1 tablespoon organic Ceylon cinnamon powder. I used 1/2 tablespoon instead. 1 teaspoon organic dried ginger. I used 1/2 teaspoon instead. And I dehydrate my own ginger and powdered it. Combine all ingredients in a mixing bowl. Set your oven to 350 and bake it 12 to 15 minutes. The coconut flour is already in the mixing bowl. Now I'll be mixing the pumpkin, and that is the 1/2 cup organic canned pumpkin. That's 100% puree. If you can find organic, that would be great. If not, that would be fine. The next one is the peanut butter. I just don't have the almond butter, so I went ahead and used the peanut butter instead, and see how this works. We'll find out. I just use whatever I have, and I think this recipe is versatile. And the next is the coconut oil, and of course I use 1/4 cup of that one. And next is the 2 eggs. Oops, I dropped it. That'll be all right. Two eggs. And then I use the Ceylon cinnamon, which is exactly what I have, and the ginger, which I powdered it. According to Dr. Judy Morgan's instruction, if it's too wet, add coconut flour. If it's too dry, add egg. So far, I didn't need to add anything. The dough is just right. Not too wet, not too dry. Perfect. Now it's time to form the dough into a ball and put it in your baking sheet, or whatever form you would prefer. Set your temperature to 350 and bake it 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, I'll bring you back here. Here's the test. We'll give Bella first. There, Bella. Bella, 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 Bella. And then Piper, get the biggin one. My goodness, yum. Liking it, huh? Liking it, huh? No more, girls, that's it. This is how much you'll be making in that recipe. It's not bad. I think this is about a quart. I'm using a quart. mason jar. Here's the test that I'm going to try. It's not bad at all. I can taste the cinnamon, the ginger, and the coconut. If I would have made this for me, I would add sugar. But this is for the girls, so they don't need sugar. You should try this recipe.